how to create Wise account in Nigeria. Now the process is just very easy and quick. So all you have to do first is to access any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. And on this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. So once you're on the wise.com's official site, what you want to do next is to either click on open an account or register. So if you click on register, you will be redirected to the registration page. So Wise actually creates a tons of different accounts to a different countries. So if you will be creating an account specifically from Nigeria, Wise is going to be asking a Nigerian phone number. So just input your active email address, and then once it is confirmed, you will be redirected to another page in which you'll have to change the area code into Nigeria, input your Nigeria number, and then you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you create a Wise account in Nigeria.